Maayong adlaw, everyone.
Ugto na.
We went to Tesco and we just finished.
Tesco shopping.
And then this is just a skyflake that I saved up yesterday. Yeah, this is the only one.
Hindi mo gipalit sa Tesco.
We bought a lollipop?
Lollipop pa karon.
No, we already had the lollipop. Also, I was counting all the way to 300.
Ibalik mo yan dyan lang dito.
Okay.
Yung lollipop.
Okay.
Kasi hindi pwede kain ka ng kain ng lollipop. Kasi
Yeah.
masisira yung ngipin mo.
Oh.
You know what yung ngipin?
Teeth?
So, pag masisira yung ngipin mo, ano mangyari?
Ano nga ba nito?
Diba? So, nilagay ko lang yung lollipop dyan para hindi ka mag... So, please, wag mong nakawin yan. So, magtagalog na kami mga higala. Oh, you have 1.3 viewers lang ga.
Yes. Last time it was 2.1k viewers, but now it's 1.4k.
So, tingnan natin kung ano. Gusto mo ng ano, Mac bibi?
What?
Gusto mo ng McDonald's? Titingnan ko lang ha kung ano. Ay, parang busy yata lang ga.
Aww.
Ang dami. KFC na lang.
What?
You want KFC? Daghan man. Taas maglinya lang ga. Gusto ka KFC? O, sa bahay na lang.
McDonald's.
Yeah, but McDonald's is kuan ha. O, tawa o.
Fine, I'll have KFC.
So, let's go in KFC ha. Kung dili
Yeah, but we're gonna need to go a different way.
Let's go this way.
Okay. Are you sure? Oh, there's still some space for us to do the roundabout.
Traffic man ang kuan McDonald's. So, pwede ba sa house na
last
lang
time
mangga?
and it was traffic? Yeah, we didn't like that, did we?
So, mag-drive-thru na lang ta diri sa KFC. Tanaw na tong KFC. Dili pa busy ha. Pero pag busy gani lang ka, sa house na lang ta.
Aww.
Tanaw na ko. Oh,
I just put the skyflakes away.
so, gikan mi nagpalit og asin. Unsay asin gani, baby?
Asin is salt.
Salt. Oh. Dili busy diri, baby. Okay ra. So, dili na lang mi aning kuan kay dili taas ang linya.
Malis,
KFC.
pop, and that Belet Monroe. That's when you wanna know. Uh-oh, I'm allowed to salt. I'm not gonna cry. Won't give you what you want, 'cause I look pretty good tonight. Which salt, mommy? The food salt or the song salt?
Song. Biyon sa imong gusto sa KFC? Ketchup? Kids meal.
Kids meal, yes, kids meal.
So, diri na lang may mga higala sa KFC ha. Adara KFC drive-thru
Yes,
lang.
I know, right?
KFC. Hello da, basa daw lang ga.
No.
Mm,
Yes, I know, poster.
Okay.
Yeah, I know you're a poster guy. Yeah, that your job.
drive-thru may drive-thru. Okay.
That's okay.
Pwede lang
Can I do the order, mommy? Can I do the order?
Layo man bibi ako na lang ha.
Aw.
Sa McDonald's lang ka mag-order kay kabalo man kasakuan. Diri na lang kay. Ako, mami na lang muna. Wa man makita si mama mo. Kanta naman ng ata ni?
Ni porot.
Longgo.
Porot inong.
Ayaw lang kukunin niyo yung lantawa mga higala.
Putsikik.
Ang inahan, way ligo, permi, way panudlay.
The chichichi. Guess what song I'm singing?
Basta magpakita gani ko mga higala, magpakita
Guess
gani
what
inahan,
song I'm
nakaligo na.
singing? Guess what song I'm singing?
Nagkapanudlay.
Chichichi. Kong no.
Ikaw ay nagpakita mo ko sa bang
Yup.
video.
What song am I singing, Mommy? What song am I singing right now? Butsi kick, ik. Tilakang noy, talabang noy. Tilang na chichichi kang noy. Tingnan na chichingong. Yup. Butsi kick, ik. What song was I singing?
Pangutan sila.
What song was I singing? Put in your comments.
Tagalogin mo, anong kinanta ko? Ano yun? Anong kanta yung kinanta ko ngayon? Oh, sige daw.
Unsan ng kanta ko?
Oh, di ba? Yay! Nagtagalog
Put in your comments.
Bisaya. Sige.
Put in your comments.
Pagpangutana, dali. Ito, pamintana.
Unsan ng kanta ko? Putsikik, ik. Tilakang
unsay title?
noy, tilapang noy. Tinang na chichichilakang noy. Tinang na chichingong. Yup. Putsikik, ik.
Pangutan, ano po sila?
Unsan ng sa kanta ko?
Oh, di ba? Kasabot mo.
Putsikik. Putsikik. Philippine Geography or Magellan?
Pangutan sila.
Put in your comments.
Nanay nito bag, wala. Hawa man nito bag, kawa man ni magibasa. Oh. Nanay nito bag, kana nyo. Kasan nyo?
No. Nope. One.
Basahin mo kung sino nag-answer.
Atiu is saying butchikik, and that was butchikik.
Yes, sige.
Well done.
Well done. Kanta na po, dog ka ng
And then the next one.
patagaan na po nila.
What should the next one be? Manila is the capital city, the king point from the other country. Metro Manila is a city, Caloocan, Pasig, Zamboanga. What song was that? Was it Butchikik again?
Tagalog lagi or Bisaya?
Unsan ang sa kanta ko?
Oh.
Butchikik again, Magellan, or Philippine Geography?
Oh, unsa man ang akong gikanta.
Unsan ang akong nakanta?
Otruha kay pasigwa sila kadungog. Otruha.
Unsa nang sa kanta ko, is it Butchikik again, Magellan, or Philippine Geography?
Oh, kanta ha otro.
Philippines has a history according to our
Geography.
Manila is the capital city, the king point from the other country.
Nanay nito bag.
Sabaro said, Philippine Geography, baby, and it was Philippine Geography.
Kabero din na. Basahin mo kung sino nag-answer.
Filipina.
Basig na pa ni answer hag correct, so parehaan ng honito. Oh.
You're saying Butchikik.
Yes, correct.
Sorry, that was not right on the second one.
Hindi,
But
kasi baka
on the
yan.
first one, it was right. Last song. Magellan landing in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done because Castella Gid and Waray man. Was that Magellan?
Bisaya, please, or Tagalog?
Unsa nang kanta ko? Magellan, Philippine Geography, or Butchikik? I have a hint. It's Magellan.
Basta hasa unsa imong gikanta. Awi, masig na
Alec is saying Philippine Geography.
Oh,
Sorry, that was the previous one.
Pero mo na yang gituba ganina sa imong
But-
answer.
but it's
Karon
still
pa mo
good.
nabasa.
Philippine Geography from Davao. They're all
Lawa.
saying Philippine Geography. Sorry, but Philippine geography and butcher cake were all the ones done. There's still one more that you haven't done. Here, I've got a hint. It's Magellan.
Magellan.
That's your hint.
Okay, ako kita ka. Ay, ginoo ko. Tanan ni Ron.
Not
Already.
me. No.
So, another one.
Okay, so I'll do the song again because I don't think you heard the song. Magellan land in Masawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. What song was that? Was that Magellan? Philippine geography or butcher cake?
Anong kinanta ko? Unsa akong gikanta?
Unsa nang kakanta ko?
Oh.
Magellan, Philippine geography, or sa butcher cake. This is the song. This is the song. Magellan land inini masawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done because Castilla gid and ware man.
Tapos, ano ang kinanta ko?
Unsa nang nikanta ko?
Unsa akong gikanta?
Sa Magellan, Philippine geography, or sa butcher cake? Ek.
Oh, wala sila kabalo. Yung nalang Magellan.
It's Magellan!
Sige, sunod na po. Dinsa na po.
Oh, someone also said, watching from Hong Kong, Magellan.
Oh,
So
well
they think it's
done.
Magellan. Well
Yeah.
done. Well done. You are very...
Hiya, can I have a kid's meal, please?
Yeah, which one would you like?
What's available? Popcorn chicken. You want popcorn chicken, darling?
Papa chicken.
Popcorn chicken, please.
Kids meal, is that with fries?
Yes.
Yeah.
And what drink would you like?
Drinks? Fruit shoot.
Fruit.
Fruit shoot, please.
Would you like blackcurrant or orange?
Blackcurrant.
Anything custard?
And that's, do you have a, what is this? Crushim?
Mushroom, yeah?
Yeah.
Which one would you like?
What is the available flavor?
Say that again.
What is available?
We've got Milky Bar, Oreo and Malteser.
You want Oreo, darling?
Oreo.
Yes, Oreo, please.
Yeah. Any extra 2 hot wings for 99p?
No, thank
Is
you.
that everything to do?
Yes.
It is £4.98 then, please.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Have a good afternoon.
Wait,
Oh, yes, please.
can you just take a second?
Have a good afternoon. You have a good afternoon.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.
Hindi ka narinig langga.
It's
You
alright.
shout, darling.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright. So, nag-order ko crushim sa imo, ha?
Okay, that's my dessert.
Yes.
But there's yogurt that goes with it too.
No, because it's kuan, baby, ka ng
COVID?
summer karon, di ba?
Oh yeah, you need something cool to cool me down. I forgot that I need something to cool me down because it's almost summer.
Oh, I need you to go. I need something
On
to cool me
May,
down
it's going to be real summer.
Oh, 2.9 viewers, darling.
Oh gosh, thank you.
Uy, ika ng gisong.
Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate.
O sige, unsa na po di mo ang kantahon? Ako, thank sorry.
Sorry.
Oh. Wait a minute. There you go. Langga, can you
I
hold that?
crush 'em.
There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Mommy, can I take a taste of this?
Yeah. Akin na yung ano. Akin na to, ilagay mo muna dito.
Oh, they're good. It's
So,
good.
nagiging good girl kasi siya. So, na-treat si mami ng ano. Lagay ko lang dito, baby. You have to eat this one in the house. Yeah?
Mommy, the cushions is good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Since it's Oreo.
Mhm.
Also, can we, once we get home, so that it doesn't cool up, can we put it in the fridge?
Okay, it's up to you.
Ah! Mommy,
Mm.
this looks like McDonald's again. because McDonald's is full, so they obviously changed their mind and
We
went
are
to
very lucky, do we?
Yeah, but it was small before everyone else got there.
Mm.
I love this.
It's a lot of people hungry, darling.
I can't stop drinking this. This is so yummy.
Is it? So are you happy with that? So, wala, dili na kanila makahatag og question sa imuhang kanta-kanta lang ga. So, naay nakatuba ganina sa imuhang Magellan? Oh, taga-asa man.
I couldn't see the name, but someone said Magellan.
You should read the name.
Oh, someone said Magellan, guapa.
Oh, Magellan guapa.
That just came up. So yes, that was Magellan.
Okay. So, maghatag na po ganila og tagna-tagna ang magkanta na po ka tapos ipa-answer nimo. O dili na mag-drink sa kano? Pabugnaw sa siya. Hoy langga, ay di na nimo kanon imong pagkaon ron kay imong ra man ang giuna man nimo imong drinks.
This is like a food drink, Mommy. Can you believe it? A food drink. Look at the queue. You're gonna have to go there and then over there, Mommy, because it's quite a long queue because it's coming over from those shops.
Hala, wala na parang McDonald's do. Oh, isa ba? Oh, 3.2. 3.2 viewers, darling. Issue sa ilahon sa imuhang drinks. Bibi, unya na ka mag-drinks na lang ka.
Sorry, I want to call of it. I just drank a bit. I just wanted to taste and I loved it, so I just...
Oh, may pamukhaon na lang ka diha. Okay, mayabo na.
I gotta put this down.
Just wait a minute because I'm driving. Here, I'll put the one here.
Careful.
Thank you. Kung ka na mag-drive na na magsinamok, oy. Labay ko na.
Mommy.
Tamukan mga langga.
Ooh, lunchbox,
Traffic
midbox,
ra ba?
all starts to show.
Oh, sige, be careful ha. So, tani mo imong unahon kay mag-una ka anang inom ug kuan lang ga sus. Di na ko kamukaon na kinahanglan na isulod ang stomach.
Told you.
Whoa.
There's a yogurt inside.
Yogurt. Padapli lang.
There's also a plastic spoon for me to eat the yogurt. So yay! So I can eat.
Kahit chips na lang muna o popcorn na piki-piki lang naman yan eh. Diba?
I'm gonna have a little.
So,
I'm gonna have not the dessert drink, but my normal.
Bantay kay naglarga na ako ha, mahulog ng kuan. Mahulog imong food.
Open it, please.
Langga, na mommy is driving.
Please, it's too hard.
Oh. There you go.
Thank you. He said, there you go, and I said, thank you. In a really funny way.
So, na siya mga igala ko na lang ipagkaon din kay. Good girl man siya today, di ba?
Yep. That's why Mommy let me choose out some books.
Yeah, give you some books as well. Ay, nag-buy sad ka og book.
The Very Hungry Caterpillar and The Highway Rat.
Ganahan mo ka magbasa-basa, di ba?
Also, the person's house who we went to yesterday to get the
Kung nadoon ka sa
magic
Pilipinas
mug
langga, ang imong mga reading book
was
mga bata.
was Lenny, and she has a child called.
Si Tita Lini. Cameron.
Yeah, and he has,
The
and
little
she
girl is
has,
Cameron.
a little boy called Cameron. And
Tanawaran na akong itagaag pagkaon dyan. O magkaon
I
siya.
forgot what I was gonna say then. What was I gonna say then?
Ambot lang, baby. Sa'yo mo gusto salty.
Let me think.
Look at the bird, darling. So, init sa gawas mga higala, pero tugnaw man yapon ginawa. Pero si Rhian, no, kay wala, dili siya magbukod sa iyang lawas kay wa man kunoy kuan, di man kuno tugnaw. Susang kani pa din taong inahan kay taon lagi.
What
Nataw,
was that?
nataw og ting init. So, tugnaw di aga bukod ko, gadjakit ko. Budget ko ligo, ko ginuo ko kay mahadlok og tubig, og hayag og tubig na saw na lang ni.
What was that, mommy?
Shower lang, dili hugasan ang buhok. We're here.
Here at home.
Unsa mo kaon ka? Dili lang ka sa car mo kaon?
No?
Okay. Oh, thank you sa mga nag
3K!
3,000. Salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa among prinsesa Agatha.
That's me.
That's you. Si prinsesa.
Mommy calls me princess all the time. I don't know why.
Prinsesa
I'm not a
Agatha.
real princess. I'm just a girl. A girl who makes some lives. A girl who makes her page.
Ang sige na, babay na sa inyo.
A girl
Abot na
who
mi.
makes their fans smile.
Okay. Ang sige na, kamo sumusulod na mi ha.
I don't know how you smile, but this is how I smile.
Oh.
This is how I when I'm really happy. When I'm really, really happy.
Like that.
When I'm excited.
Anyway, nag-set belt ka ganina o yun mo na pong gitanggal? Did you put the set belt?
Yeah.
Talaga, titingnan ko sa video ha.
Yes. And then I just buckled it off. So yeah.
Okay. Sige na. Ala, kadaghan sa naglantaw ni Rhian. Sige na, kamukaon pa siya. Salamat kaayo. Oh, katabian ni pretty girl. So you are tabian daw ka, baby. Very talkative.
Oh, thank you.
Salamat
Thank you.
pa.
I said, oh, thank you. Salamat.
Pa-shout out ko na. Okay. Hala, girl, paspas man mga higala ha. Pasensya na gyud mo. Pero i-like na mo niya. I-like na mo niya. Mabasa man
This is
naman
my
niyo.
tray, my car seat.
Hala pa. Sige na. Musulod na mi. Kaya magdala mi sa
I
mga
feel
pinalit.
small.